Hey everyone, I want to bring an interesting update to you guys with the changing landscape in technology. It's always been fast, but never more so in the last couple of years with the true advent of AI. Our customers more and more are looking for faster and more efficient ways to tap into technology, to truly run real-time data, to run data insights, to tap into automated processes. With that in mind, we at Excelencia are excited to bring a new series, Talk Tech with Excelencia, where we bring some of our experiences and thought leadership, having worked across a myriad of industries and problems, to bring some of our use cases to a broader audience. We're excited to launch this initiative and hopefully it is of value to you guys. Thank you.
I come from a technology background myself, building solutions and architecting solutions for our customers. A lot of what I do today is drive sales and account management for our organization. And for that, what I believe is understanding what's happening in the technology world, the technology trends, and the response of the market to the different technology ideas is key. With that in mind, what we've done is created this Tech Talk series where different partners, customers, and our network can leverage and understand what's happening in the tech world today, right? And for that, what we've done is brought in our business leadership, IT evangelists, and IT leadership to the table, have them talk about different technology trends and also some of the solutions we have built and deliver for our customers, solve some of their business challenges, primarily on cloud, data, AI, and also on the ERP and app dev space. So enjoy the series, but please do also leave your comment and feedback. Thank you and have a great day.